Robert Kiyosaki, a successful American businessman and author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, has provided many valuable tips for financial success. Here are the top 3 tips from Robert Kiyosaki. 1. Education of financial literacy. Robert Kiyosaki encourages people to learn financial literacy. That is, to understand percentages, taxes, investments, and budgeting. He believes that mainstream education does not educate people in these important financial principles, and recommends that you study this area on your own and learn from your own mistakes. 2. Investing in assets. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of investing in assets that generate income. He encourages people to develop their financial IQ and look for ways to create passive income. Passive income can be generated through rental housing, stock investment dividends, or income from a business that can operate without your direct involvement. Kiyosaki believes that focusing on assets helps achieve financial independence and freedom. 3. Finding good mentors. Robert Kiyosaki believes that learning and advice from successful people in the financial industry can be incredibly valuable. He recommends looking for good mentors, people who are already financially successful, and learning from them. They can share their experiences and help you avoid common financial mistakes. These tips from Robert Kiyosaki are based on his personal experience and philosophy of financial success. However, before making any financial decisions, it is important to do your own research and consult with a professional financial advisor.